Good morning, Devil Dog, and welcome back to my channel. And for the new guys, welcome back, recruits. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys. So today, basically, we're gonna be talking about a new cryptocurrency that I personally own. I've been very successful ever since I bought it a while back ago. And I know you guys, some of you guys can be like, "What are you talking about, Phil? How can what do you own the coin?" So, but for me, guys, it's been very successful, and the coin that I'm talking about is actually DogeCoin. Why DogeCoin? So DogeCoin, a little bit story behind it. Like when I bought Dogecoin back when it was 0.0019, guys, and I didn't really know much about it. Except for a friend of mine told me it was a meme coin. So what I did, I looked at it. I saw there was a fraction of a penny, and I was like, well, if I can put some money in it, whatever movement that happens in the future, it will be a lot of gains. So it will be really good money. So basically, so I did put some money in it, and it actually it blew up. And I've been holding Dogecoin, in the ups and downs and sideways movement and whatever it is that you guys seen. So let's go ahead and know what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at the market. We're gonna look at Dogecoin, what it's doing, what I think it's gonna do in the future, and where the coin should be at, according to my opinion. Just remember, guys, I'm no financial advisor. There's no financial advice. Just my own opinion. Try to basically show you guys and teach you a little bit about cryptocurrency for you guys. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and jump in, guys. So you guys stop looking at my face. So what we have here, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the crypto fear and greed. All right, here we are. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the fear and greed index. So right now we're looking at right over here, guys. If you see my mouse, basically the fear factor right now is greed. So that means that people are buying. So about I want to say last week or 2 weeks ago, we were hitting extreme greed. So that means people are just buying like crazy. I think that's what happened the day that we were talking about Coronado, how it was actually popping up, and it was actually extreme greed. So what we're looking over here in historical values, like right now we're looking at 70. Yesterday was a 70 scored greed, and last week it's been a 70 scored greed also. So if you look at last month, right over here, we're at extreme fear, guys, and everybody was just selling off or not buying enough. So and we're at 10, and this is the times, guys, that I look at that, or whenever people are freaking out, whenever you get the fear or extreme fear, that's the time I'm buying. And I'm not buying just any coin. I'm buying no coins that have utility, especially if you guys are starting and you want your money to go a long ways in the future, and it's not going to go to zero. So I recommend you guys always to research a little bit what kind of coin do you is out there, and invest in it. So don't invest just a poop coin, or invest in something that has some kind of utility. I know Dogecoin doesn't have a utility, and it's a little bit different from what I'm talking about, because Dogecoin started as a meme coin. People still calling it a big meme coin, but Dogecoin has proven itself to be in the top 10 rank, and it's been holding it there really strong for a long time now. So it deserves to be there. It's not longer. It's a lot of people. You got Elon, and you got some other guys that are working on it. Mark Cuban, I guess, and oh, so you got all these guys that actually want the Dogecoin. It has a pretty big community behind it. That's why Dogecoin is different. You got all your utility coins, and then you got your community coins, which Dogecoin is one of them. Same thing with the Shiba Inu community coin, but it does have some kind of utility behind it. And then you got your Ethereum that has a lot of utility behind. And then you got Bitcoin, which is a more of a store value. Okay, so Dogecoin is basically on its own category, kinda, and people try to mimic it, and they have not gotten to that point yet. So let's stop talking about. Let's just go ahead and move on. So because I'm talking too much. If you guys hear my kids, they're watching TV. Sorry about that. So I try to do a little bit videos for you guys as much as I can. So let's go ahead and keep going. So okay, so just remember, guys, whenever people are in fear, best time to buy. Extreme fear, best time to buy. Greed, hey, things are moving up. You could buy a little bit on the way up. Don't buy on the all-time high. If the coin's already all-time high, I don't like buying it. All right, guys. So right now it's greed. Let's look at the whole market. What this means as a greed. So all right. So this is basically the coin market cap, and this shows you everything that's actually all the coins, all the top coins, all the coins that are trending here. The biggest gainers recently added. Coin market cap, and then you got your top dogs right here. So let's see where actually where Dogecoin is sitting. Dogecoin right now is sitting at set number no spot number 7, and I believe Dogecoin was at one point at number 4, maybe 3. I can't remember. But Dogecoin has come a long way from from when I bought it. I think it was in the 200s or something like that, or the hundreds or spot, and then it started slowly climbing up to like the 67, and then it started going up and up and up, because it has a strong community. Remember, Dogecoin doesn't have a lot of utility right now, but they're working on it. You got people right now working on it. They want to start making transaction fee even faster, which is already pretty fast, and I think they want to introduce some kind of like smart contract to it, or I'm not sure what Elon and or Mark Cuban and all these people are working on, but right now Dogecoin just being as a community coin, guys, it's at number 7. This is the top 10 right here. So let's read what's the top 10. We got Bitcoin number 1. You got Ethereum number 2. Cardano, which we talked about. Hey, Cardano's gonna go up, and then it might retrace a little bit and then continue going up. All right. You got Binance Coin, you got Tether, which is not a real coin, just a stable coin, and then you got XRP, which amazingly, they're going through all these lawsuit and whatever it is, and it's actually still sitting there. So that's a really strong coin too, guys. We got Polkadot, USDC coin, which is a stable coin, and then you got Solana. All right. So as you can see, Dogecoin's actually been holding pretty well. I want to say it's been sitting here almost for over a year now, and it doesn't seem to be coming down from that spot. Let's look at Dogecoin real quick. The price is at 0.32 guys, and if you guys been around for a while, you know that Dogecoin during the bear market, it hit, I think the lowest it hit was at 0.16 guys. So a lot of people were saying that Dogecoin's it's going to go to 0, guys. That's not true. It's not going to go to 0. That's my belief on my non-financial advice, but it's not. I don't even think it's ever going to see 7 cents again. I even got my wife in buy some Dogecoin, and she bought at 7 cents, and she's hitting pretty good too. So, all right. So for the past hour, we got a 0.51% up. For the last 24 hours, we got 2.66% of Dogecoin is up. And then for the past 30 days, Dogecoin is actually at 72% and rising. Market cap right now, we're looking at $42 billion, almost 43. And as you can see this graph right here, it's kind of following everybody's kind of following what Bitcoin is doing and Ethereum. So look how Ethereum and Bitcoin kind of follow each other. Cardano is doing his own thing. Remember what I believe about Cardano? I believe Cardano eventually is going to be $10 sometime next year, maybe. So we'll see what happens. So, you got Binance Coin, kind of doing the same thing what the Bitcoin Ethereum is doing. XRP, same thing. You see, kind of matches all together. Dogecoin, same thing. It's kind of doing the same thing. And usually Dogecoin kind of does his own thing, so I think right now it's kind of relaxing before continues going up. What do I believe about Dogecoin? Well, I believe that Dogecoin will be at Dogecoin by the end of the year. Damn. So Dogecoin by the end of the year, I believe it might be at 75 cents, guys. We might be back to 75 cents, maybe a little bit more. I don't want to call the dollar yet, which I know it's a lot of you guys are waiting for that. I'm not even waiting for myself, so I could take some more profits on it. So always remember to take profit, guys. Make a plan, like what is a good profit for you. All right, a lot of people, coins go up, don't take out. I blame myself, and you get greedy, you don't want to sell because you think it's going to continue going up. But make sure you guys always at least take like 10%, 5%, something. For Dogecoin, that's what I've been doing since I bought it over 2 years ago when the everything crashed during the epidemic, and it's continued going up. And I took some profit. I took at the beginning, I took like 5 grand, then I took another 10, then I took a note, so on and so forth. And I've been fixing my house. A lot of stuff that I got around my house is being paid by Dogecoin. All right, guys. Which at the end of the year, I'm gonna have to pay some taxes. I'm not looking forward to pay them, but since I've been holding Dogecoin over a year, so my taxes should be less. I believe it's like 20% I have to pay instead of 25 or 27, something like that. If you do it, you holding it less than a year and you end up selling. So don't quote me on that. I'm not really sure, but I think that's what it is. So there goes Dogecoin. Let's go ahead and click here and let's see what do we see. Let's look at this graph real quick. That's what Dogecoin's been doing. There it goes. Like everything else. So when the all-time highs, which was at sometimes in the 75, came back down, and now starting to go ahead, continue going up. So what I'm seeing here, the graphs usually when you start seeing this graph right here, they call it a J reversal, something like, I can't remember exactly, but it's doing like a J. So this is the bottom of the J, and it's going to continue up, and then it's going to do something like some kind of J. That means that's going to continue going up. Let's see for you guys a little bit about Dogecoin. Let's see if there's any news. So here's some of the news. They're talking about Ethereum, Matic, which I do own Matic, and eventually I'll talk about it. Dogecoin and price analysis on August 20th. So reclaim 47k. Ethereum traded about 3,200, which you raised about 7.4. Matic, blah blah blah, 153. While Dogecoin was about to break above its imminent 0.32. So yeah, so eventually I do believe that soon we're gonna be seeing Dogecoin going back to 75 cents. Maybe by next month, this month, September, we might see a 50 cent, 45, 50 cent Dogecoin, and end of the year, sometime in December, we should be able to see. It will be nice to see Dogecoin at 75, which I do believe that Dogecoin will get there again. All right, and that will be really nice. All right, so this is the in trading view. We got the chart for Dogecoin, and as we were talking about it, there it goes, all-time high. We're looking at a 70, 75. So this what it looks like. You got the EMS right there. So Dogecoin's looking pretty good. All-time highs, all-time lows. So A, B, and then we should see a C. Maybe hit somewhere over here at 45 range, 40, 45, and it might just get there, hit there, and then do a reversal, come back down like maybe 10-20%, retracement, and then continue up into the end of the year to 75 cents, guys. So this is what I'm looking. This is what I see right now. If you're trying to buy Dogecoin, it's already on the overbought. I don't like buying there on the RSI. Whenever the RSI strength, the relative strength index shows me that it's overbought, I don't like buying here because the whole thing about it might come back down. So if you don't mind being on the red, and you just want to buy now, go ahead and buy it. But remember, it might retrace back. You might be in a negative for a couple weeks or so. So just remember that. So the sentiment right now is very bullish. As you can see, this whole sentiment right here was very bearish during the whole week of event. And now we're starting to see green. It's coming back up. As you can see, it's doing like a cup. Hopefully it'll continue making a cup, and sorry about that, guys, and it'll continue to all-time highs. All right, so usually when coins are around this area or lower, that's what I like buying, maybe somewhere here in the middle, as I told you guys before. So right now I would not buy any, personally I would not buy any, but it's up to you. what do you want to do, guys? All right, so that's looking pretty good for Dogecoin. The market's looking pretty healthy today as a whole. As a whole, right now we're looking at 3.91%, almost 4%. The global crypto market cap is actually up. So I think we'll be a little bit higher, but hey, this is good enough. Remember, we're like in the 1.2 up some point. So market cap right now is looking at 2.08 trillion. We up 4% for the last over the last day. So that's really good, very bullish for us, guys. So I'm pretty happy. So all right. So what do I think? What do I think is Dogecoin end of the year? I told you guys already. Yeah, I do believe Dogecoin is going to be close or at or a little bit over 75 cents by the end of the year. The same time frame, everything continues to know what it's doing and continue having this strong community for this coin. So I do believe that's my prediction for next year where Dogecoin should be. What kind of coin? Well, Dogecoin. A lot of people right now they're saying Dogecoin should reach $10, $5. $10 right now, guys. I don't know. Maybe in a couple of years, but but next year, sometime next year, I do believe that Dogecoin will be $1, maybe $1.50, between $1.50, sometime by first quarter next year. But I do believe once we reach those kind of highs, I think we're gonna retrace back, maybe 50%, depending what Bitcoin's doing at that time, and then we might retrace back, hit our low lows for that year, and then we continue going up. So it's very, Dogecoin could reach $5, guys. I see a $5 Dogecoin, maybe the end of the year next year or something like that, depending what Elon and all these developers are working on and what kind of utilities they're gonna be coming up with for Dogecoin, and that will make Dogecoin even better. Look how much have we done with no utility, guys. So imagine we just do anything for Dogecoin. Yeah, for sure it will be $5. And once we come out with some kind of utility, yeah, I believe we'll hit $5 and then eventually $10. So that'll be super nice. I'm very bullish with Dogecoin. I love Dogecoin. One of the best coins that have, made good profit from. And do I recommend it to anybody? Is it too late to buy Dogecoin? Did Dogecoin already went to the moon? No, Dogecoin has not gone to the moon. Unless you bought, way back then 2 years ago. Yeah, you might be in the moon right now. But is it over for Dogecoin? No, Dogecoin still has a lot. If you see it right now, we're at 32 cents. It will go to 70 and 75 cents, hopefully by the end of this year. And by next year, sometime $1.5. I hope, and I'm gonna continue hope. Remember, guys, I'm not a swing trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm just a guy that likes looking at charts, investing in cryptocurrency and some other stuff. And this is one of the ones that I really own as my number one in my portfolio, and I really enjoy this coin because it has paid a lot of stuff around my house and remodeling stuff. So Dogecoin, once Dogecoin hits $1.50, I'll be making some kind of brick floor thing for my house with a Dogecoin face coin, just to tell everybody, hey, all this remodeling was paid by Dogecoin at my house. And but yeah, that's what I have for you guys right now, guys. Hopefully this was very informative. What are my thoughts, or what I think Dogecoin is doing. I think Dogecoin is doing a reversal. It's going to continue going up. Just remember, nothing just continue going. It goes up. It has to come back down. No retrace, 10-20%, and continue doing that. All right, guys. So if you guys got any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment on the bottom. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see, if this is good enough for you. From last video, it seems like a lot of people really liked it, and they have reached to me to do some more. So you guys basically tell me what you guys want to see, and I'll go ahead and try to do it for you guys. So if you guys want me to touch some more of the stuff, more, a little bit more detail, maybe more news, let me know and we could start doing that. The videos might be a little bit longer. If you guys are willing to just hear me talk, that'll be great. So let's look at it before we close this up. But let's look at what Bitcoin is doing, and remember, everything follows Bitcoin. So let's see. So right now we're somewhere halfway from all-time high. Well, actually more than halfway from all-time highs. We're at 48, almost $49,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to move up, so that's great for us because that means that all altcoins are gonna start going up too. All the altcoins that have really good, technology behind it, utility, a good team, those coins usually stay around. And trust me, I've seen a lot of rug pulls, coins going to zero, and just make sure you invest on good coins, guys. That's the best thing I could tell you, especially if you're starting. So yep, there goes Bitcoin at 48%, 48,000, and it's going to continue. I believe Bitcoin will reach eventually 80 grand, maybe 100 grand. And you know what, guys? That means that every other coin is going to follow and hit all new all-time highs. So yeah, I'm guessing somewhere at 85,000. So Bitcoin might hit all-time highs, and then I believe after Bitcoin hits that high, and then a few weeks, maybe a couple months later, you'll see Bitcoin, and this is what I believe, guys, and I might be wrong, but then I'll see Bitcoin retrace back, do maybe a rate 40, 50, maybe 60, who knows, retracement back, and then so it could continue climbing to all new highs. All right, guys, so that's what I believe. Like I said, I'm not a swing trader or day trader. I just buy, hold for a long time, and sell whenever it makes sense to me. All right, so make sure you guys have a plan. Oh, excuse me. I will be talking right now. Currently, I'm investing on ICP, and I'm starting to become very bullish on ICP, and I do believe this coin eventually is going to pop. If you guys do follow the money, this one of the coins is actually pending on Grayscale to actually incorporate it into their list, I guess. So, and I'm basically what I'm doing. I'm buying, doing the dollar cost average. So every day I put in about $100 and to reach the amount that I want to invest to. All right, guys. Let's see what else do I need to show you guys. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. Let's look at this graph right here. This is the fear and greed graph, and this is where we are right now. We're just kind of going sideways, and yeah, you guys could read this by yourself eventually. All right, guys, so I think that's enough for today. I don't want to make it too long. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this content. Next time I'll talk about another coin. But one more time, let's go ahead and bring everything together. So DogeCoin started as a meme coin. It's a pretty serious coin with a strong community, backup. You have Elon and Mark Cuban, which they love, and the guy from Ethereum, whatever his name is. So they're all investing and kind of helping DogeCoin to come out with some kind of utility. If that happens, guys, I see DogeCoin hitting $10 eventually in the future, 5, 10. But for now, as a strong community, where do I see DogeCoin? DogeCoin is gonna, I want to say, end of the year. Hopefully, it'll hit 75 cents. Go to $1, and by next year, sometime next year, it should be sitting $1.50, unless they come out with some kind of utility, guys. And then I see DogeCoin at $10, like what people are talking about. So, all right, guys. So that's everything that I have. Hopefully, you guys really enjoyed this. If we haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe. Click the icon. And let me write comments on the bottom and let me know what you guys want to see. And be safe, stay cool, and I'll see you next time. Later.